Welcome back. We are on the topic straight lines. In the previous video, we solved a question on finding the equation of a straight line when it is parallel to another straight line with a known equation. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question for this video is: find the equation of the line which passes through the point 3 minus 2 and parallel to the line x plus 7y minus 5 is equal to 0. So a straight line passes through the point 3 minus 2, and this straight line is parallel to the line x plus 7y minus 5 is equal to 0. We have learnt that if two lines are parallel to each other, it means that they have the same gradient. So in this case, the line that passes through the point 3 minus 2 will have the same gradient as the line x plus 7y minus 5 is equal to 0. So if we let m represent the gradient of the line x plus 7y minus 5 is equal to 0. If we let m1 represent the gradient of the line x plus 7y minus 5 is equal to 0, and we let m2 represent the gradient of the line passing through the point 3 minus 2, we can say that since the two lines are parallel to each other, m1 will be equal to m2. So if we're able to find m1, it will be the same as m2. With the gradient and the point 3 minus 2, we can find the equation of the line passing through the point 3 minus 2. So now what we have to do is to find the gradient of the line x plus 7y minus 5 is equal to 0. We know how to find the gradient of a straight line when the equation of the line has been given to you. We learned that to do that, you will first have to express the equation of the straight line in the form of the general equation of a straight line. The general equation of a straight line is of the form y is equal to ms plus c. So to find the gradient of this line, you have to express this equation in the form y is equal to ms plus c. And when you do that, m will give you the gradient of the line. This means that we will first have to make y the subject of this equation. In doing that, we will have 7y is equal to minus x plus 5. We will divide the left hand side by 7 and we divide the right hand side by 7. 7 will cancel 7, so we will have y is equal to minus x plus 5 divided by 7. From the videos on fractions, we learned that minus x plus 5 divided by 7 is the same as minus x divided by 7 plus 5 divided by 7. Now, minus x divided by 7 is also the same as minus 1x divided by 7. So you have y is equal to minus 1x divided by 7 plus 5 divided by 7. And this will be equal to y is equal to minus 1 divided by 7x plus 5 divided by 7. So we have been able to express the equation of the straight line in the form of the general equation of a straight line. By comparison, we can see that m is equal to minus 1 divided by 7. So the gradient of the line x plus 7y minus 5 is equal to 0 is minus 1 divided by 7. We represented the gradient of the line x plus 7y minus 5 is equal to 0 with m1. So we can see that m1 is equal to minus 1 divided by 7. But remember that we also represented the gradient of the line passing through the point 3 minus 2 with m2. And we saw that m1 and m2 are equal. So if m1 is equal to m2, then m2 is also minus 1 divided by 7. So the gradient of the line passing through the point 3 minus 2 is minus 1 divided by 7. Now, with the gradient and the point 3 minus 2, we can find the equation of the line passing through the point 3 minus 2. We are going to use the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. where m is the gradient of the line. So m is minus 1 divided by 7. And x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the point that falls on the straight line. So x1 is 3 and y1 is minus 2. We substitute this information into the formula, and this will give us y plus 2 is equal to minus 1 divided by 7 into bracket x minus 3. Y minus minus 2 will give us y plus 2. M is minus 1 divided by 7 and x1 is 3. Now we have a fraction in this equation. We want to cancel out the fraction, so you multiply through by the LCM of the denominators. We have only one fraction, so the LCM of the denominator will be the same as the denominator. The denominator here is 7, so you multiply the left hand side by 7 and you multiply the right hand side also by 7. In doing that, you have 7 into bracket y plus 2. Y plus 2 is a binomial. So if you are multiplying 7 by a binomial, you put the binomial in a bracket. So we have 7 into bracket y plus 2 is equal to minus 7 times 1 divided by 7 into bracket x minus 3. 7 will cancel 7. So we are going to have 7 into bracket y plus 2 is equal to, when 7 cancels 7, we are going to have minus 1. So we have minus 1 times 1, which is minus 1. So minus 1 into bracket x minus 3. We open the brackets and then we simplify. This will give us 7 times y is 7y, 7 times 2 is 14, minus 1 times x is minus x, and minus 1 times minus 3 is positive 3. I'm going to group all the terms in this equation on one side. So I will send minus x and 3 from the right hand side to the left hand side. And this is going to be x plus 7y plus 14 minus 3 is equal to 0. We simplify this further and we have x plus 7y plus 11 is equal to 0. So the equation of the line passing through the point 3 minus 2 and parallel to the line x plus 7y minus 5 is equal to 0 is x plus 7y plus 11 is equal to 0. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on finding the equation of a straight line which is parallel to another line with a known equation. Bye bye.